Hey guys, I am here finally with an early one of God's Glory box, and this one is for November 2021. So I am going to go ahead and unbox it and share with you guys what's actually in it this month. So, like usual, they tell you what is actually in this box. So we've got a beanie hat, which is awesome because it is freezing outside right now. We've got a beautiful I Love You to the Moon and Back necklace inspired by Psalm 136:9. We've got outdoor quality stickers, and then we have shareable ebooks. So let's see what's in here. So here is the monthly devotional planner and how to download it. It tells you how to download it, and you've got a little crossword. I mean, not a crossword. You've got a little maze on here, which is really cute. And then, like usual, you always have one to share with a friend. And I love doing this because I share them with good friends. We've got some beautiful stickers here, and these are outdoor quality. I actually have some of these. My husband put some of these on our front door. Not our front door, but our glass door. He put some on the glass door. So here's the beautiful necklace, I Love You to the Moon and Back. I'm actually going to give this one to my daughter. I think she'll like that. And then here's the beanie, which is awesome because I was actually needing a hat. So we've got a Jesus hat. So this is everything that was in the box for this month for November. If you guys love them, then make sure to head over to godsglorybox.com and remember that they donate 100,000 meals per year to Feeding America. With every subscription, they end up donating money to Feeding America. So I hope you guys enjoyed this box review, and I hope you guys check them out.